Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వారందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. Today I am going to prepare pineapple laddu. Come on, let's get started.
The main ingredients for this pineapple laddu are pineapple slices. Here I made these pineapple slices into puree, half cup sugar, raisins, pista, ghee, 1 cup suji rava or Bombay rava, lemon yellow food color and dry coconut powder. Take a frying pan and add ghee in it. Once ghee get heated, add raisins. Fry it on low flame. Again in the same ghee, add 1 cup of suji rava. Fry it in a low flame. Add dry coconut powder and mix it well. Now transfer this into a bowl. Now add half cup of sugar and add 1 cup of pineapple puree in it. Combine well until the sugar dissolves in it. Now add lemon yellow food color, but it's optional. Stir it once. Now add fried suji rava in it. Combine well. Now transfer this mixture into a bowl. Now start preparing laddus with this mixture. Serve in a serving plate. Prepare all laddus in the same way. Garnish with dry fruits.
Thanks for watching.